We are in square roots and cube roots, fundamental chapters, basic arithmetics we are doing. Just we have started square roots and cube roots. Today we will continue. Example 12. Find the square root of 0.1 dot. That we have learned in decimal fractions chapter. I think you remember. That is pure recurring decimal. Converting pure recurring decimal into vulgar fraction. Converting pure recurring decimal into vulgar fraction. I am repeating now the principle here. 0.1 dot is pure recurring decimal. To convert into fraction, write the repeated figures only once in the numerator and take as many nines in the denominator as is the number of repeating figures. Number of repeating figures is also 1. So many nines, 1 9 only. The denominator as the number of repeating figures. So this will be equal to this one. 1 by 9 only. The other, see, I'm explaining once again. What is 1 by 9? 1 divided by 9. Find one time, 1, again 0, 1 time, 1, again 0, 1 time, so on. So 0.1111 so on is the decimal value of 1 by 9. So representation in the decimal fractions is some code we have arranged, that is 0.1. So without repeating the portion, if it is 1, dot should be there. That's all. Arithmetic value. So we think you can understand now why 0.1 is converted to 1 by 9. I hope you understand. Practically. Okay. Square root of this one. How to find out square root of this one? First convert it to a fraction, regular fraction. Or vulgar fraction. That is a method. After same. Here we want square root of 0.1 dot. 0.1 dot will be 1 by 9. Square root of 1 by 9 will be square root of 1 by square root of 9. That will be square root of 1 is 1, square root of 9 is 3. Again, 1 by 3, 1 divided by 3. You will get 0.33, so on. That will be 0.3 dot. Peculiarly, for 0.1 dot, square root will be 0.3 square dot. Other regular, if it is regular numbers, 3 square cannot be 1. But 0.3 square will be 0.3 dot square will be 0.1 dot. 0.3 dot square of 0.3 dot will be 0.1 dot. See, the meaning is 0.33 is 33. Multiply by 0.33 into 0.33. This will be more than 0.9. 0.3, if it is 0.3, 0.3, it will be 0.9, 0.09. And more than 0.9, that will be 0.1. Okay. That is what I wanted to explain you. Next question. If 0.5 is almost 3.88 is taken as, maybe some approximation, but take it as 3.88. If it is given, you have to adapt it. Don't change. You cannot change. Should not. Find the value of find the value of find the value of root 5 by 3. Root 5 by root 15 is given. What is root 5 by 3? Root of 5 by 3. In similar examples, we have to multiply so as to eliminate the denominator. So compulsorily, this will be root 5 into root 3. Always try to multiply to convert to integers. Root 3 should be multiplied by root 3 only. So numerator and denominator should be multiplied by root 3. If it is root 3, then the numerator also multiplied by root 3. What happens? Root 5 into root 3, root 15. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 15 value will be this one, 3.88. 3.88 by 3. What is the answer? 1.29. If you divide, we'll get 1.2933. So on. 3 will be repeated. So that or 3. Ordinary division only. Start dividing one time. 8. 2 times 6, 2, 28. 9 times 27, 1, 10. 3 times 10, 1, 10, 3 times, so on. Completed. Next question. Answer 1.293 dot. Dot or 3. Example 15, 14. If x is equal to root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 and y is equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. Then find value of x square plus y square and the value of x square plus y square. I think you have done some example, similar example, but I want to repeat it for practice purpose. It should be one or two definitions sometimes. X simplification of x. I told you when there is denominator like this, you have to multiply. If it is in the form of a minus b, multiply by a plus b. That's all. Denominator should be simplified first. You have to simplify the denominator always. Multiply by root 5 plus 3. Here already root 5 plus 3. Root 5 plus 3 in the denominator, multiply root 5 plus 3 by root 5 plus 3. Root 5 plus 3 is root 3 whole square. That will be root 5 plus root 3 whole square. Denominator will be root 5 square 5. Root 3 square 3. 5 minus 3. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square. Root 5 square 5. Root 3 square 3. 2 root 5 root 3. That will be 8 plus 2 root 15. 5 into 3 by 2. 2 is common the numerator. It is 2 is taken. 4 plus root 5 root 15. 4 plus root 15. After taking 2 common, 2 cancels. 4 plus root 15 is the x value. Similarly, y value. Then only x plus y, x square plus y square we can find out.
Sir, 4 plus 2, 6 ga sir.
4 plus 4 plus root 15 डालेगा. Who is it, please? 2 will be common here. 4 plus root 2, 4 plus root 15 by 2, 2 cancels.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then y. Simplification of y. We take this as x. X is it, we got 4 plus root 15. Similarly, y. Now root 5 minus root 3, that will be whole square will get, because we will multiply root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus 3. That will be 5 plus 3 minus 2 root 5 root 3 by 5 plus 5 minus 3. 8 minus 2 root 15 by 2. That will be 4 minus root 15. Y will be 4 minus root 15. Then x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal. No further simplifications, of course. Answer will be given like this only. 4 plus root 15 whole square x square plus y square 4 minus root 15 whole square. No further simplifications. You see the answer. Next question. Next question is the typical one. Try to understand. Some tricky question. Find the value of example 15. Find the value of square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus so on. How to find this value? Unless 6 number will be continued forever. How to simplify this? To some extent, this is an approximation. Let this be x say. Whole expression is taken as x. Here, square root of take 1/6 here. The remaining portion, what is this portion? Root 6 plus root of root 6 plus root of root 6 plus. There is similarity between this one and given expression. Inside the square root, again the same number will be repeated because this is immediately will continue. So inside also there is the same number. So you take it as 6 plus x. That's all. For approximation sake, you have to do like this. No other alternative. And this is some way of simplifying. Again, this will be again 6. Root of 6 plus x will be again 6. We have taken it as 6. So squaring both sides. ఈ పోర్షన్ అంతా x అయిపోయింది. x కింద తీసుకోవాలి తప్పదు. There is no alternative. This portion will be again x. 6 plus x. And we will take the entire value as x. So root of 6 plus x will be x only. Squaring both sides, this will be 6 plus x. This will be x square. Taking this to the other side, x square minus x. Taking to the other side and writing on the left side. Minus x minus 6. Equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Product should be minus 3, minus 6, and sum should be minus 1. If it is added, it should be minus 1. If it is multiplied, it should give, the two numbers should give, two values of x should give minus 6. How? Minus 3 and plus 2. It is added minus 1, multiplied minus 6. So x square minus 3x plus 2x. So minus 6 will be minus 2x plus 3x minus 6 as it is. X common, x minus 3. This is the method of solving the quadratic equations. Plus 2 into x minus 3 is 0. X minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2. X plus 2. X minus 3 0 means x will be. X plus 2 0 means either one of the two must be 0 to get 0 on the right side. So x will be minus 2 or 3. So we cannot take it as minus 2. The answer should be taken as 3 only. Answer is 3 only. Next in the exercise. Exercise questions. See, remember, there may not be recording. See, you should all note down everything. Don't expect recording and giving copies of the videos. You only record, you have to note down and understand everything here only. There is no promise from our side. It will be recorded videos. First question. Root of 478 plus 160 minus 314 into 8. How much? Again, simplifications. The simplification. This we have considered the simplification chapter, square roots and cube roots chapter. The question may be in 2 or more chapters. How to find out this one? First, add this 478 plus 160, 638 minus 314 324. This will be up to here. Into is outside the square root. 324 into square root of 324. Yesterday I have told you 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400. This is between 100 and 400. So towards 400, that means 10, 11. If it is 11, number should not be 4. 12, there is possibility, but 12 square is 144. 3, 9, 4, 6, 16, 4 into 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64. Again, possibilities for 324. 18. In fact, 18 square is if you remember 18 square, it's okay, it's well and good. 18 square is 324. If you forget, find out like this also. Root of 324 is 18. 8. That will be 144. Answer. Next question. says 2. Square root of inside one more square root. 17 956 plus square root of 24,024. Outside one more square root is there. Square root of sum of two square roots. Convenient method of obtaining square root. 17,956. Of course, my method is 100 square 10,000. 5 digits. 200 square is 40,000. This is in between. By trial and error, 131, not possible. 2, not for 4. 3, 9, 4, 16. 4 is possible. So 134 is one possibility. 134. One thirty four square. This one. This will be 134 plus 24,025. This is also in between 100 and 200. 5 come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 135 చూడండి. 135 కాదు అసలు 140 చూడండి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ నియర్ టు 200 కదా. 140 స్క్వేర్ కూడా తెలియాలి. 15,600. 150 225 22,500. square 196. 150 square more than 150. Again from 150 onwards 151. 1 square 1 2 square 4 3 square not useful. 4 square 5 square 5 square is useful because already 5. 155 square is exact. That is 155. Mirror 24,025 ఇలా స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అప్లై చేసినా వస్తుంది. As per your convenience. 2 1 1 1 14 0 2 2 25. 22. 22. No, 18. 14. 14. 40. 140. 140. 24. 5 times. This is already one. 120. 20. 25. Here. No, no. One is double. Again, one also double. 5 times. 125. 15. 15, 25. This will be 30. 5. 5 times. 15, 25. 0. You will get 145. In this method also. No problem. As per your convenience, do it. Square root of 289. 289 square root will be 17. 17 square is 289. Next question. This question you do yourself one, then 1 by 4. Simple questions I am taking. Then sixth question. I don't want to take much time on simple questions. Seventh question. Square root of 0.361 by 0.00169. Find the value of. This step we have done in decimal fractions also. Comes under decimal fractions, comes under the square roots. Both. You should know how to do. Don't worry about the chapter. Same procedure in both the chapters. What we have done there? The decimals in the denominator should be definitely eliminated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 places. This will be 0.00169. Point will be here only. So these we have no values. Numerator will be Again 5 places. 361, 1, 2, 3, and 2 zeros. 5 places. Then what? No point will be here. This 0 has no value. Three 361, 0, 0. Again square root. That means square root of 36,100 by square root of 169. This will be 13, of course. E16, 361, 36,100. 361, I will give one more clue here. This is between 100 square is 10,000. 200 square is 40,000. This is in between 100 and 200. And one more thing. Is near to 40,000. You see, if from 49 to 40,000, 200 plus 199 is subtracted. 399. If 399 is subtracted, do subtraction. What will happen? Zero, 6. No, not that. See, 20, 200 square is together. Forget about these two last two zeros. 20 square is 40. 20 square is 40. 400 square root करते after finding out square root of 400, you can add 1 0. That's all. So 20 square 400. Then 20 square 400. Next, below 20. 20 plus 19, 39. Subtract 39, 361. Next, 20 plus 19 subtract చేస్తే వచ్చి వాల్యూ 90 స్క్వేర్ అయిపోతుంది. అలాగే 19, if you add 19 plus 18 and subtract it from this one, this will be 18 square. That is one way. This is a clue. So now it is 19 square. 400 minus 39, 361 అని mind లో ఉంటే, if you remember that one, you can get that it is 19 square. 19, if it is 19 square, one if you add 1 0, 19, 190 square will be 36,100. That's all. 19 square is 361. The square 2 zeros will be there. 190 into 190. 19 by 3. 19 by 13. That is the answer. I mean, I am skipping eighth question also. Simple one. Same procedure. Just 9th question I will do. Next question. Not 8. Skip 8. That is simple. No complications. Ninth question. 9. Root 24 plus root 62, 216. By root 216 by root 96. Find the value of 24. There is no square root for 24. There are no direct square roots. See, you have to observe some commonality. All are 6 is a factor of all these, and it's 6 is divided. This is divided by 6. 4 will be there. Square root of 4 will be there. 2. Square root of 4 will be 2. Again, if it is removed, divided by 6, we will get 36. Square root of 36 will be 6. And if we divide by 6, the balance will be 16. The other factor will be 16. Root of 16 will be 4. So that is one clue. This is given as directly 4 into 6. If square root of 4 into square root of 6, square root of 4 will be outside. It will become 2. 2 root 6. 6 into 36. 36 is square root 6 and root 6 by 16 into 6. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 into root 6. 2 root 6. 2 into is 2 root 6. 6 root 6. Total 8 root 6 by 4 root 6. 8 by 4 remains 32. Next question. Solve. Square root of 24 divided by 0.5 plus 1 plus square root of 18 divided by 0.6 plus 6 find out E. This is also simple, of course. Only thing is divided base are there. Bartman's rule. First divided base. This will be 24 into 1 by 5. 0.5 will be 1 by 2. No. 0.5 will be 1 by 2. But if it is converted to into 2 by 1 plus 1 plus square root of 18. This will be 60 by 6 by 10. That is 3 by 5. If it is into 5 by 3 plus 6. What is it? Okay. 48 plus 1, 49. This one. 30 plus 6, 36. Root for 49, 7. Root 36, 6. Answer is 13. Next question. Fourteen. Root 63 plus root 252. 252 into వేసిన వేరు ఒకటి you may or may not keep into root 70 root 175 plus root 28. How much? Here also there are no direct square roots. Again, common points we have to search for common points. 63, 9 into 7. For 9 there is square root. 252, 36 into 7. For 36 there is square root. 7 to 36 is 252. Similarly, 7 into 25. 25 square is there. 7 into 4. Root of 4 is there. So all we are getting all root 7. For factor 7 there is no root. If you eliminate some steps, 9 into 7, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 7 plus square root of 252 is 36 into 7, and 6 square root 6, 6 root 7, 25 into 7, 25 square root 5, root 7 plus 4 root 4 into 7, 4 roots to 2 root 7. If you multiply, we add all are root 7 expressions, terms. 9 root 7, this is 7 root 7. 9 root 7, 63, and this one root 7, 7. 441. Answer. Next, 16th question. Cube root of 268 into cube root of 50 plus 75. Find out. Cube roots, there is no specific method, but only one way is factorization. Two 16 is 36 into 6. 6 into 6 into 6 is 216. So cube root of 216 is 3 cube. 216 into 3 cube. root of 125. Cube root of 3 cube is 3 only. 3 cancels actually. Cube root of 6 into 6 will be 6 only. That's all. That's all. 6 cube. Answer will be 6 or not 3. Sorry. 6. This one 125 will be 5 into 5 into 5. 125. So cube root of 125 will be 5 only. That's your answer. Next question. Yesterday, because there is no subscription, we could not continue for 1 hour. After 45 minutes or so, it is disconnected. Then we have to join. But today, no problem will be there. You have paid. $21. Root of 2025.11 into root of 56.04 plus root of 399.95 into root of question mark is equal to continue 33.98 into 40.11. Find out question mark value in the question mark. Let it be x and also approximations are necessary. Approximations. This will be 2025 only. Good 2025. Into root 256. This will be 256 only. Plus. Here plus. This will be root 400 only. Plus root x is equal to. This will be 34. This will be 40. This will be square root of 2025 will be 45. If you remember, okay, otherwise do some by some method. This will be 16. Here into. Let us give brackets. 20 is also into root x. 20 root x. Into is not necessary. Is equal to this is the multiplication. Multiplication only. This one 1360. Multiply. 1360. 20 root x equal to 3060 minus. This one will be 720. 30 root x will be 640. 45 into 16. 45 into 16. 720. 34 into 40 means 4 times 16. 12 plus 1. This will be 640. That means root x is equal to 640 by 20. That will be 32. X will be square of 32. 32 square. That will be 1024. Answer. Root x is 32. X square is 32 square. 1024. That is the answer. So before closing, I want to know who are the new attendants. Are they following? Who is Srikanth, please? Unmute and speak. Others they have left in the middle. Okay. Five more minutes. Let us spend five more minutes. Second question. The square root of 41,209 is equal to, and choices are given. That is finding square root, that's all. Otherwise, question like this. Only practice purpose I am doing. Actually, I need to do. 41,209. Two terms. 22. 4. 12. Right to double. 4. Even it is 1, not sufficient. 109. So keep 0 here. So now it is 40. Continue. Double 40. It will be 3 times 109. Thus our answer will be 2031. That's all. Okay. We'll stop here. Tomorrow again, value in here. Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Come on, get ready to go to the future.
Any questions?
Your mind is ready to bear.
పూర్తిగా ఆడిబుల్ గా ఉందా ఈరోజు?
Yes, sir.
ఎవరు? Somebody tell me.
సార్ బాగానే వినిపించింది సార్. బాగానే వినిపించింది సార్.
Okay. Tomorrow by 11 AM. You may leave.